these people risking their lives for a wheel of cheese?
Who wouldn't?
Sure, there are many cheese lovers out there.
It's cheese, what's not to love?
But this is a next-level challenge. The traditional English sport of cheese rolling has been around for centuries. It involves chasing a 4-kilo wheel of cheese down a very steep hill. The first to catch it wins. It sounds easy, but you might get hurt doing it. What sort of serious injuries could you suffer along the way?
I can handle it. I'm pretty tough.
This is your body on the dangerous sport of cheese rolling. The cheese rolling race takes place every year during spring on Cooper's Hill in the parish of Brockworth, Gloucestershire. The competitors are usually locals from the village, but people travel from all over the world to participate or watch the event. There are 4 downhill races. 3 are for men and 1 is for women. A maximum of 14 people can race in each group, but the number of racers has once reached up to 40.
No, that can't be right.
Now, before you go join them, on average, how many people do you think get injured at each event? 4? 14? 40? Yeah, we'll give you the answer later in this episode. Meanwhile, you have 6 months to train before the race. Let's do it, mate. Month 1. 6 months before the event, you'd need to pay a lot of attention to your quadriceps muscles, tendons, ligaments, ankles, knees, hips, and lower back during your training. You'd do a variety of drills to prepare for this competition. They would include lunges, squats, hopping, and bounding. You know, get your muscles ready for all sorts of contractions.
Oh, deep burn!
When you're tumbling out of control down a hill, anything can happen, so you'd better be limber.
I don't think you have to worry too much about that.
Month 2. 4 months before the competition, it would be high time to include actual downhill running in your training. Thanks to gravity, you wouldn't need to work as hard to run downhill. You may start running too fast, though. You then need to adjust your body position with a forward lean to keep yourself from hard heel striking. Running softly with short strides will help you stay in control, unlike that guy. Month 3. Try mixing up your downhill runs with an uphill run session. That will build up your strength. It will also help emphasize your arm swing, leg extension, and strengthen your hamstrings. And don't try this race in high heels or your dress shoes. Look for shoes with plenty of padding to help cushion your feet. You'll need to practice falling backward as you run down the hill, and try to land on your bottom instead of your head.
My head.
Better to have a sore bum than to be knocked unconscious.
You got knocked the out, man!
3 weeks before the race. Okay, less than a month to go and you're ready to roll. Don't worry about registering for this race. Racers do not have to fill out any forms or provide their names. That's because of a police crackdown in 2009. They claimed that the race was too dangerous and overwhelmed local resources. So, since then, participants, locals, and organizers have kept everything unofficial to avoid any legal responsibilities.
For legal reasons.
Competition day. Okay, it's 11:45 a.m. and the event is about to kick off in 15 minutes. Everyone's ready. The crowd is going wild. Go! Chase that cheese! Just so you know, it's not even real cheese. In 2013, a foam replica replaced it to make the sport safer. Oh, and to answer your question, medical staff has estimated that, on average, 30 to 40 people get hurt each year during the cheese rolling event.
That's a lot.
Racers risk injuries including broken ankles, concussions, kidney damage, dislocated shoulders, and torn ligaments. Be careful, mate. And you're the first person past the finish line. Woohoo! You just won the competition. That was bloody brilliant. To all the other competitors, cheddar luck next time. It's been an intense challenge. You're sore and exhausted, but hey, you've just won bragging rights and a massive wheel of cheese. That should keep you going for a while.
Have you been up all night eating cheese?
Now, if you really want to prove how much of a cheese lover you are, how about tasting the world's most dangerous cheese? That sounds like a challenge for another episode of Your Body On.